Hi you guys, what's up? कैसे हो सब? Today I am going to be telling you guys what is my everyday makeup look जो मैं mostly I think ऑफिस जाती हूँ या पहले जब मूवीज के लिए जाते थे या रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाती थी मैं तो मैं ये मेकअप लुक करती थी which is actually only about like 10 minutes. ये literally 10 मिनट में मेरे से हो जाती है. This is really simple to adapt and using the basic things that you have in your kit. And yeah, if you want to know how I did this, then keep on watching and let's start without any further ado. Okay guys, so we are starting off the makeup. I have already prepped my skin. मैं products बता देती हूँ जो मैंने अपनी skin पे लगाया है. So in total, I have used 4 products. 2 of these are recommended by my dermat. So I'm not going to recommend it to you guys because you would need a proper doctor's prescription for this. But anyhow, this is the moisturizer that I use for every day. This is the Physioactive cream. बहुत अच्छे से moisturize कर देती है आपकी skin को और एक अच्छा base भी बना देती है for makeup. And the other thing is this Acne UV Gel SPF 50. This is the sunscreen which is very important for our skin. Whenever we are stepping out, we need to put a sunscreen no matter what. This is actually a gel based sunscreen. मुझे ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. The other thing that I use is this under eye cream by Himalaya. This is again a very फस फ्री क्रीम मतलब ये एवरीडे यूज में हो सकती है. आई डोंट यूज इट ऑन द पर्पज ऑफ डिक्रीजिंग माई डार्क सर्कल्स. आई जस्ट यूज इट टू प्रोवाइड सम मॉइस्चर अंडर माई आईज ओवर माई आईज. एंड द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस Nivea Cherry Shine lip balm. This is one of the most basic things. I think everybody has this and this is great actually. So after all of this skin prep, I start my makeup by using, of course, my go-to. You guys must be knowing about this. This is the LA Girl Orange Color Corrector. I cannot work without this. I have to use this. I have major dark circles और वो darkness cancel out मुझे रोज करनी पड़ती है. So I actually take this really less pea size से भी छोटा amount and I apply it. ये मैं ढंग से पूरा blend नहीं करती हूँ. I like to blend it with my foundation. But yeah, again using my ring finger around my eyes. Always use your ring finger you guys. Eyes के around हमेशा क्योंकि ये सबसे softest finger होती है हमारी. The foundation that I'm using is the Fit Me 230 Natural Buff shade में. This is an amazing foundation for every day. I have said this enough that this is amazing. You have to buy this if you have not tried this already. एवरीडे यूज़ के लिए मैं बहुत छोटा सा अमाउंट लेती हूँ बिकॉज आई रियली डोंट लाइक टू पुट अ वेरी हैवी बेस स्पेशली इन द डे टाइम. यू डोंट रियली नीड इट ऑल्सो. आई हैव टेकन दिस मच एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट विद माई ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. I always take the remaining foundation on my forehead. मैं forehead पे specially foundation नहीं लगाती हूँ. Always take some of the foundation on your neck. So yeah guys, you can see that this has provided decent amount of coverage on my face. और मैं डे टाइम में अपना मेकअप बहुत ही लाइट रखती हूँ जिसमें Fit Me बहुत हेल्प करता है. I don't go for an heavy base at all. और अगर थोड़े बहुत flaws दिख रहे होते हैं, I really don't mind that. Now I'm going to be using this Fit Me concealer which is in the shade medium. The amount of concealer that I use depends upon how much sleep I have gotten the previous night. Now I can still see some of my dark circles, so I'm going to take a little more and going to blend it with my finger. Yeah guys, I think I'm satisfied with the coverage that I'm having right now. I'm going to be setting off my makeup again with the Fit Me loose powder. I think my everyday makeup look is all about the Fit Me range. They should really pay me. I'm advertising them like anything. थोड़ा सा powder लेके beauty blender पे मैं bake करती हूँ अपनी eyes because I do have very thin lines under my eye. तो उनमें product collect ना हो इसलिए मुझे baking करनी पड़ती है. It's a very important and crucial step in my everyday makeup routine. Okay guys, still we have some powder under our eyes. I like to do my brows. I'm going to brush this with this spoolie brush. Always comb out your eyebrows before filling them. For everyday, I really like to use this Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil. This is a very simple and an easy product to use. इसकी pigmentation भी बहुत कम है. It's not going to give you that super stark black brown color on your eyebrows. ये बहुत ही light natural रखता है. That's why I really like to use this for everyday use. just like to fill in the gaps. मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करती. Yeah, so basically after filling my brows, I like to comb them once again. So that basically, you know, it feels really natural और बिल्कुल made up ना लगे. Yeah, now we are just going to dust off the powder. Powdering your face is very important because it keeps your base set and you really need to do this step especially summers में. Like summers में तो कभी ये skip मत करो because anyhow you're going to sweat like a pig. So okay, I do not step out of my house without my eyeliner. I cannot do without this. I am very much an eyeliner girl. I'm going to be using the Faces Canada Ulti Line Pro Matte Play Eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. Very quick eyeliner to use. बहुत ही easily लग जाता है, बहुत जल्दी लग जाता है. Usually I'm also very quick with winged eyeliner, but आज वो नहीं करूँगी. Okay guys, I'm done with my liner. Okay, the next thing that I'm using is this mascara by Maybelline. This is the colossal one. Any day, anytime use का mascara. We're going to be moving on to the blush. I really like this. You guys know about this one also. This is the Milani blush, which is also a highlighter. I really like this. सबको पता है कि मैं सबसे ज़्यादा ये use करती हूँ. Also because it's really less pigmented, this works absolutely fine for daytime. And you guys are going to notice कि थोड़ा सा sheen आएगी चेहरे पे ना इसको लगाने के बाद. बहुत ही subtle and light. Blush again is really important in the daytime. It makes you look very fresh and awake. If you guys can see the little shine, बहुत ही कम. Normally in person तो definitely दिखती है बहुत हल्की सी. Like that nice natural glow, like not like that stark highlighters. Okay, now coming on to the final step, which is the lipstick. I really love this. This is the Huda Beauty Trendsetter Liquid Matte Lipstick. Amazing shade for daytime. Like this is one of the best, one of the beautiful colors that you have, the shades that you have in the market. It's going to suit a lot of skin tones. बहुत ज़्यादा last करता है ये, I swear. मतलब आप कुछ भी खा पी लोगे, this is going to last. And it's also very pigmented, तो एक ही swipe में लग जाएगा. Also बहुत अच्छी खुशबू है यार इस liquid lipstick की. Okay guys, this is the beautiful Trendsetter shade. I really hope you guys are liking this. So this is the final everyday makeup look of mine. I really hope you like how this turned out. It's also pretty simple. ज़्यादा इसमें कुछ मुझे करना नहीं होता और अब मैं क्योंकि इतनी used to हो गई हूँ तो ये बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. I think this is that perfect subtle everyday makeup look when you want to go to the office या बाहर outing के लिए भी जा रहे हो और ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं. I think this is pretty fine. Do let me know if you like this video and you guys know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you until next time guys. Bye.